Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming the essentials and taking the first actionable steps. Pick your target platform and create a minimal project in your IDE. Install required SDKs and sign into your developer account so builds are possible. Create a modular folder structure now, components, services, assets, so reuse is enforced from the outset. Once done, scaffold a sample component and run a quick build to verify environment health. This prevents wasted time later and makes development predictable. You now assemble the library's core, develop reusable UI components and shared services. Start with a consistent component template and prop contract so every contributor knows the API. Extract authentication, storage, API client, and caching into independent modules. This reduces duplication and eases updates. Add versioning metadata and a basic test for each module to catch regressions. Make sure to run tests automatically and update documentation, snippets alongside code. That keeps consumers confident and speeds future integration. You finish by packaging, documenting, and publishing the library. Bundle modules with clear README and copy-paste examples that show how to import and configure each piece. Publish to your registry or internal repository using semantic versioning so consumers know about breaking changes. Once published, run a sample integration in a fresh project to confirm install and runtime behavior. If things go wrong, roll back to the previous version and check mismatch in peer dependencies. That's the most common issue and usually resolves installs quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.